Welcome to Age Like Wine Fitness channel, everybody. Don't forget to comment and subscribe right now. So we can get you some more videos like this one. When I wanted to hook up my PlayStation controller to my TrainingPeaks Virtual and be able to do some lane shifty stuff and do a lot of the other controls with it, there was not a video out there that showed me actually how to use it. The only thing that I had was on TrainingPeaks Virtual. They had a picture of an Xbox controller and basically said all of the controllers act very similar to this one here. So I'm going to give you the PlayStation 4 controller configuration and show you how to use this little bad boy. It's right here. I've already hooked it up to my tablet via Bluetooth. Quick and easy and simple. And then once it is going, you can scroll through all your menus and all your stuff with either the joystick or the D-pad, which is a nice function and feature. Right there, your X button is your enter button. So you pick what you want to do and the X button takes you there. Pretty simple. You can scroll through your worlds, your events. You can do your routes. And you can do whatever, your different challenges, your unranked, different stuff. Yeah, don't hit the circle button yet. You don't really need it because that will just bring you back here to the change account or spectate page. Then you can easily just scroll up and go back into your menu and then continue on where you were. Then you can also, which is really handy, I think this would be the most use for this controller for me, is if I want to go in and change my UI settings. These are all the things on your screen. That's your speed, your distance, power output, heart rate, where on the screen you want all this stuff. So right here it makes it really easy to change things. Like that would be changing my mini-map position. And I really probably won't do that because I'm so used to it up in the right hand corner. But anyways, it just shows you how easy you can just go through here and change everything. Yeah, if you want, I just took a look at challenges real quick. Then we can come in here to your profile, and it'd be really easy to change your look. So everything is super easy with the controller when it comes to this kind of stuff. In a minute, we will get into the gameplay. But for all of this, I really would like, to use the controller instead of having to use the touch screen. Because the touch screen, it'd take forever to do some of these things, especially the UI settings. So I'm actually going to go back and race in the TrainingPeaks Virtual Kit for a while. And then if you hold the button, it takes a really long time. It's like 10 seconds before your controller will power off. Alrighty then. Now we are ready to go do a ride. I'm just going to jump in with one of the pacers so I can show you how the controller reacts. And doing a race is a bit much to just show you how this thing works. So we're going to use our menu, and Eddie Emerald's where I kind of do most of my pacing. It's a pretty good level for me. So super easy to get in. Couple taps of the buttons and boom, you're down in. So what we're going to do is I really want to show you how it goes back and forth, because that was really one of the main things of a controller, is getting a pack position. And if you check out right up over here, you can see the wind is going right to left. So generally you would want to be on the left side of the pack. And it gives you little arrows on the screen when you're trying to move. And it just drifts over really slowly. I would love it if TrainingPeaks would allow you to modulate that a little better. Like it's really slow. I mean, look at this. Like I can't even imagine trying to race like that. And get yourself in position without being able to move a little bit faster across the road. Some of it could be Bluetooth lag. Some of it could be our Australian slow internet. Then we move up here. These top buttons, these change your gears, and it really does work. You can get yourself up to plus 19, and it goes all the way down to minus 6, which gives you 25 different levels. That should be enough for most people, even doing some of the steepest climbs. I'm trying to think, the steepest climb I think I've seen 17-18% maybe. So I will do in another video, we'll test the gears out on a climb. I'm using a geared bike, which makes it a little different. If you're using a indoor cycling specific trainer that you don't have any gears, 25 should really be enough to get you there, especially if you do the hardness level, if you change that. This is one of the features I like. If you go to the menu and like you lose your pace group, you can just jump back in. With the left joystick, it'll bring you to different people. It'll show you the next person in front of you. It'll go to the next person in front of them. It'll go to the next person in front of them. And then you have to scroll off. Like, yeah, I went one more. Now I start scrolling back, I think, to me. Yep. So you can just see how far ahead everybody is. I'm not really paying attention, so I'm falling off the back here. So that's the main gist of the left toggle. That just gives you different views. The bottom D-pad button gives me the U-turn option. So other things over here, see, if you lose your group, you just jump in here and you can, I'm in the pace group section, so that's why all the different pacers are out here. So just jumped in to go to a little slower pacer. So we'll come in. There we go, back in another pace group. And right here, we're going to start changing our different angles of view. We have 10 different options. And I probably would like that menu screen to stay on for just a bit longer. Yeah, really, I mean, when I'm racing, maybe to go off that quick, but if you're in a pace group, maybe give you 5 seconds or so. But 10, yep. So that's all the different views. And then one is obviously first person, kind of here. So you got all your different views. Then this right here, you can also change your gears with this menu screen. And one last menu thing. I do a U-turn, I think, right here. So let's try the U-turn feature out. Takes a minute. Slows down. Zoop. There we go. Jump the other way. So I think you get the basic gist of it. It's a pretty good tool, or maybe toy if you want to call it that. You can do certain things with it. As far as during a race, I really don't think I'm going to use this even for positioning. And I did try sending a text, and one of the things I noticed on this is the only way to get out of the texting is eventually I have to hit return on the screen. Alright, so this is the one part that they could probably upgrade that a little bit to allow you to get out of that message screen with the PlayStation controller. So that's number 2. So the first 2 big things that I would like to see them improve on is being able to move left to right a little bit faster. And I found the glitch with the main typing in a message. So the message screen, moving your avatar. But there you go. That's all I got for the PlayStation 4 controller. Do I like it for certain things? Yes, I do. Will I use it in a race? I will probably have it on and sitting there. If I use it, I don't know. So, alright, don't forget to comment and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you guys all in the next one. Cheers. Bye-bye.